Okay, so what if the ordered pair is in another quadrant? So if it's in the first quadrant, we have this going on. If it's in the second quadrant, we have this. And I'm getting sloppier and sloppier. Third quadrant, we have this. In the fourth quadrant, we have this. Because it just depends where the point is. So if we're in the first quadrant, x is positive and y is positive. So all the trig functions will be positive because r is always positive and r cannot be 0. But in the second quadrant, notice it's a little bit different. X is now negative. Y is still positive because you're moving up. R is still positive. So to determine what trig functions are positive, what trig functions deal with y and r? And that is sine and its reciprocal cosecant. So in the third quadrant, x is negative, y is negative, but r is positive. So the only thing that could be positive is the ones that have both x and y, and that would be tangent and cotangent. And last but not least, the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative, and r is positive. So the trig function that's positive would be x and r, which is cosine, and its reciprocal secant. Now they came up with a phrase to help you remember this. All students. Let's do this. All students take classes. The first letter represents the trig function. They're all positive in the first. S for sine is positive in the second. T for tangent is positive in the third. And C for cosine is positive in the fourth. So if I have an ordered pair, let's say -2, -5. That would be third quadrant, so tangent is positive, and the other two are negative. So x is -2, y is -5. R would be square root of square plus square, so it'd be 4 plus 25. So square root of 29. So cosine is x over r, so it'd be -2 over square root of 29. Sine would be -5 over square root of 29. And tangent is -5 over -2 which is 5/2. Oh, excuse me. So if I said, what if we have an ordered pair, let's say, -1, -3. Now let's make it +3. Sorry, +3. So that would be in the second quadrant. So I would know sine is positive. So x is -1, y is 3, and r is the square root of 1 plus 9, this squared plus this squared. So that would be square root of 10. So cosine is -1 over square root of 10. Sine is 3 over square root of 10. And tangent is y over x, which is -3. Okay. Yes.